Kebabs with a kicker BBQ adventure awaits. Listen up, food lovers. Summer's here, and you know what that means? Barbecue time. Forget burgers and sausages. Let's get creative. Today we're talking kebabs, but not just any kebabs. Get ready for a flavor fiesta with potato, morcilla, and scallop skewers. Trust me, this combo will rock your world. Ready to fire up the grill? Let's do this. Heroes of the skewer potatoes, morcilla, and scallops. These three ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. First up, the humble spud. Potatoes are a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. They are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways. Did you know these little beauties are packed with vitamin C? Not only that, but they also contain potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. We're using baby potatoes for this recipe, parboiled for extra flavor, and to help them cook evenly on the grill. Parboiling ensures that the potatoes are tender on the inside while getting that perfect crispy exterior when grilled. Next, the star of the show, morcilla. This Spanish delicacy is a type of blood sausage that is rich and flavorful. This Spanish black pudding made with rice and pork brings a rich, savory punch to the party. Its unique taste and texture make it a standout ingredient in any dish. Fun fact, morcilla has been around for centuries, enjoyed by everyone from Roman emperors to modern-day foodies. Its long history is a testament to its enduring appeal and deliciousness. Finally, the luxurious touch scallops. These tender and sweet shellfish are a true delicacy. These delicate morsels add a touch of sweetness and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. When cooked just right, they are a true delight. Buy them fresh if you can, you'll taste the difference. Fresh scallops have a natural sweetness and a tender texture that is simply unmatched by their frozen counterparts. Building the perfect kebab, a step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to take you through the process of creating mouth-watering kebabs that are sure to impress your friends and family. Let's assemble our flavor bombs. These kebabs are a delightful mix of textures and tastes, combining the earthiness of potatoes, the richness of morcilla, and the delicate sweetness of scallops. First, parboil your baby potatoes until they're just tender. This step ensures that they cook evenly on the grill and absorb all the delicious flavors. While they're cooling, chop the morcilla into chunky pieces. The morcilla adds a unique, savory depth to the kebabs that is simply irresistible. Pat your scallops dry with kitchen paper. This step is crucial to ensure they sear beautifully on the grill, giving them a nice caramelized crust. Now thread your ingredients onto skewers, alternating between potato, morcilla, and scallop. This way each bite is a perfect blend of flavors. Don't overcrowd them. Leave a bit of space for even cooking. This ensures that each ingredient cooks properly and gets that perfect char. Brush your kebabs lightly with olive oil. This not only helps in cooking, but also adds a lovely sheen and enhances the flavors. This will help them develop a gorgeous char on the BBQ. The char adds a smoky flavor that makes these kebabs truly special. Time to fire up the grill. Get it nice and hot and get ready to cook these kebabs to perfection. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 4, flavor explosions, seasonings and marinades to try. This section is all about elevating your dishes with the right mix of spices and marinades. Want to take your kebabs to the next level? The secret lies in the seasonings and marinades you use. Get creative with seasonings and marinades. Mix and match different spices to create unique flavor profiles that will wow your taste buds. For a smoky, spicy kick, try a rub of smoked paprika, cumin, and chili powder. This combination adds depth and a touch of heat to your kebabs. If you're feeling adventurous, go for a marinade of garlic, lemon zest, and chopped fresh parsley. This blend brings a fresh, zesty flavor that brightens up the dish. Remember, the key is to taste as you go. Adjust the seasoning to your preference to ensure the perfect balance of flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect flavor combination. The best dishes often come from a bit of trial and error. Grilling time will vary depending on your BBQ, but aim for around 10 to 15 minutes, turning regularly until everything is cooked through. This ensures even cooking and a delicious charred exterior. Section 5. You gotta try this. This recipe is a real winner for me. It's got everything: sweet, salty, smoky, and a little bit spicy. The combination of textures is amazing too, with the creamy potatoes, the crumbly morcilla, and the tender scallops. So what are you waiting for? Fire up the Barbie and wow your friends and family with these epic potato, morcilla and scallop kebabs.